Dark Moon Meditation by Miranda Gray. Close your eyes and bring your awareness into your body. Feel, know, or see that you sit in a cave with a small fire at the center. The floor is covered with woven crimson rugs, and the space is filled by the warm golden light of the fire. The cave is silent except for the crackling of the flames, and the outside world seems very far away. An old woman, dressed in a long hooded cloak, sits by the fire, warming her hands. A large black cauldron rests next to her. The old woman pulls back her hood, and you see her face in the firelight. Deep blue tattoos circle her cheeks, and her dark skin is lined with age. Her thin white hair is cut up in a bun, and her eyes sparkle with welcome and love. The old one indicates that you should sit by the fire. You know that you have found your sanctuary and your home. Take a deep breath, relax, and let go. You are home. The crone places her cauldron next to you, and you feel her love and deep calm surround you. Inside the cauldron, you see stars and galaxies, and you know that in the dark womb of the crone mother, everything is possible. Take a deep breath and hold your womble in your physical hands or in your mind's eye, and quietly say, I offer these dream seeds for all women and for myself, in accordance with the crone's love and goodness. I ask that through her love, these seeds grow in her womb to be born into the world, and with each meditation, more of her blessings manifest in beautiful ways. See, know, or feel that from her dark cloak, the crone takes a seed that glows with a soft white light and hands it to you. You feel your heart open with love and hope. Physically take one of your seeds and holding it, ask, I ask for all women that they awaken to their true female nature and to the presence of the divine feminine. As you place your dream seed gently in your womb, feel or know that at the same time you place the seed of light into the star-filled darkness that lies in the crone's cauldron. Smiling, the crone gives you a second dream seed. The seed glows with golden light. Feel your heart and womb center open. Physically, or with your mind's eye, take one of your seeds and, holding it, ask, I ask that all women grow strong roots deep into the earth and feel their inner beauty and power shine from their hearts and hands. May they love and support each other and walk the world together in harmony. As you place your dream seed in your womb, know that you also place the seed of light into the star-filled darkness of the crone's cauldron. The crone gives you a final dream seed that glows with soft pink light. Physically or with your mind's eye, take your last seed and, holding it, ask, I ask that I may be restored in the beautiful light of my female energies and empowered by my truth. I ask that the crone manifests many new and exciting gifts of light and love into my life. As you place your dream seed in your womb, know that you also place the seed of light into the star-filled darkness of the crone's cauldron. Around you, the cave fills with stars and galaxies, and beautiful white, pink and gold light flows out from the crone's cauldron into the universe. In wonder, your heart shines with love and gratitude. You know that the crone has taken your dream seeds into her womb, and in the darkness she will nourish them so that they will grow in the world. Her soft voice whispers in your mind, let go. I hold your dreams now, and I will bring them life. Bring your awareness to your heart and feel gratitude for the presence and love of the crone. Be aware of your womb tree that lies in your lower belly and grow its roots deep into the earth. Take a deep breath, smile, and open your eyes.